Alright, let's get into it. Imagine you're standing in the heart of Athens, a modern city buzzing with life with something ancient towering above it all. Cafes hum, scooters zip past, the smell of souvlaki hangs in the air, and yet your eye keeps lifting to that rock that pulls the city into its orbit. This is the Acropolis. Not just ruins, a launchpad into a world of gods, heroes, and epic tales. Today we walk the same paths as legends and read secrets written in stone. A symbol of human achievement that has stood for millennia. Daring dreams, marble reaching for the heavens. Welcome to the golden age of Athens. Democracy, philosophy, stunning art. Here ideas shaped the West. This rocky citadel was sacred ground, the heart of the city. Our mission, a whirlwind tour of the must-sees. No dusty textbooks, just awe-inspiring stories, mind-blowing facts, and visual spectacle. History you can feel. Take a deep breath of Athenian air, the past is calling. Let's answer. First stop, the monumental gateway to the sacred plateau. Your adventure truly begins here. Our ascent begins. You're not just walking up a hill, you're following a path of ancient pilgrims. Each step pulls you from the everyday toward the divine. This is the Propylaea, a monumental gateway by Menesicles, built to impress and humble. Form meets function in perfect balance. Look closely at the precision of the stonework. A central hall with two wings, the Pinakotheke, an early art gallery, and the small temple of Athena Nike. Imagine the ceiling painted deep blue, studded with golden stars. It prepared your mind for the reveal to come. See the grooves where massive doors once turned. A beautiful entrance. And a defensible choke point. Pause and look back. From here you feel the power and prestige of ancient Athens. Leave the noise behind and enter order, beauty, sanctity. More than stone. A psychological threshold. Anticipation builds with every step. The show is just getting started. Ready? Here it is. Once you pass the Propylaea, there it is, the Parthenon. No photo prepares you for seeing it in person. A global icon of classical architecture. Its perfection is an illusion. Columns bulge slightly, entasis, to look strong and true. The platform curves upward at center to counter optical sag. These subtleties make the building feel alive. Inside once stood a wonder. Athena Parthenos, 40 feet tall by Phidias. Gold and ivory, a chryselephantine masterpiece. Nike in one hand, a spear in the other, armor etched with myth. Centuries left their mark, wars, occupations, and the 1687 explosion. Fragments still whisper the temple's stories, yet its power remains undiminished. A survivor of time. The Parthenon is the Acropolis's beating heart for a reason. Walk its edges, let the scale reset your sense of possibility. Marble, light, and proportion. A language of beauty. Now, a temple of legends waits just across the plateau, the Erechtheion, where myth and memory meet. On the north side stands the Erechtheion. Quirky, sacred, layered, asymmetrical by design, multiple shrines under one roof. Instead of columns, caryatids bearing the roof, not mere decoration, structural grace in stone. 5 originals rest in the Acropolis Museum. One is in the British Museum. Here Athenians marked Poseidon's trident strike and Athena's sacred olive, myth made place. Down the southern slope lies another birthplace, the Theater of Dionysus, where theater itself began. Up to 17,000 Athenians gathered here, from chanted chorus to the first actor, a tradition we still honor. Aeschylus, Sophocles, Euripides, Aristophanes. Priests and dignitaries sat in carved thrones, titles etched in stone. It was civic, religious, philosophical. The city thinking out loud. A short walk brings you to the Odeon of Herodes Atticus, built in 161 AD, a roofed music hall with superb acoustics, beautifully restored, intimate compared to the Great Theater. Every summer it hosts concerts, operas, and ballets under the stars, a magical bridge between ancient and modern, proof the spirit of this hill still brings people together. Timing is everything, go at opening or late afternoon to beat heat and crowds. Summer sun on white marble is intense. Wear shoes with grip. Polished marble can be slick. Bring water. Shade is scarce. Essentials: hat, sunglasses, sunscreen. Buy tickets online to skip lines. Consider the combo ticket. Acropolis plus other top sites over several days. It saves time and keeps your pace relaxed. Don't rush. Find a quiet spot and let the place speak. Study the details. Breathe in the panorama. Let the wonder sink in. Why does this hill still matter today? Because it stands for an idea, pushing boundaries in art, government, philosophy, and architecture. Its DNA echoes in our monuments and institutions, earthquakes, lightning, war, looting, yet it endures. Visiting the Acropolis connects you to a story thousands of years old. It reminds us of our capacity for beauty, and for legacies that outlast us. The echo of the ancients calls.